So during the competition itself, was there tension? I mean, matindi ba yung laban? I mean, people expected him to do well, no? But there were other top competitors there. Ano yung pinaka-threat sa kanya doon? And how well did he have to do to get the gold?
Yung sa first niya, yung sa floor exercise, I remember very close talaga. Parang ang ganda rin nung performance nung naka-silver medalist, yung tiga Israel, na reigning Olympic champion from Tokyo. At yung venue ng Bersk Arena, grabe, punong-puno ng Israeli fans. So I could parang see their flags, parang nabili nila yung buong stadium that night, no? And bilang na bilang lang yung makikita ko may Philippine flag. So scattered sila. May nakikita naman ako, pero lahat ng katabi ko doon from where I was seated sa media tribune, puro mga Israeli flag, meron ding Great Britain, so mga European countries nandoon. Grabe yung sigawan, ang taas anticipation kay yun sa silver medalist. But nung in-announce na nung siya na yung winner, well, ramdam mo talaga yung quiet talaga. I cannot say na buong stadium nagsisigawan for Kaloy. Kasi nga, bilang lang yung mga Pinoy. Pero yun yung mas parang you want to, kung pwede mo lang isigaw lahat para tumulong ka sa pag-cheer. But they all stood kasi sasabihin doon sa sa pagnanalo na if you can, please stand for the national anthem of the Philippines. So, yun naman yung so tumayo naman silang lahat. So, yeah,
But
nakakaano lang.
JP, yeah,
Yeah.
JP and gymnastics kasi may judging, no? May mga judges diyan. Di naman 'yan pabilisan o
Yeah.
palakasan katulad ng ibang events na madalas malinaw kung sino yung nananalo, no? Nung in-announce na nanalo si Carlos Yulo, was there any dispute? Were there questions about the judging or talagang malinaw kahit doon sa mga kalaban, kahit doon sa mga kababayan ng mga ibang nag-compete na si Carlos talaga yung pinakamagaling?
Based sa nakita ko, Sir Howie, parang malinaw talaga. Parang although yung the way you measure yung game na to, no, it's really based on judging. Pero nakalagay naman kasi sa scoreboard yung mga difficulties, may mga parang very transparent naman din. And talagang ang ganda ng performance si Carlos. And parang kahit hindi ka from the Philippines, sasabihin mo, siya talaga. Siya talaga. Nasabi ko rin yun, ay, siya siya yung mananalo kasi syempre inobserve mo 'di ba parang yung performance ng iba